Hello there, this is Gabe from GuideWiz. Today I'm going to show you a very amazing feature and a long-awaited one in Canva. So Canva did a very big update, and in order to access all the new features, all you have to do is, while you are in the home page, you will see a big banner in the top area with a bunch of envelopes on the sides. You just have to press it multiple times. Then you will be shown a video. You can watch it, you can skip it. And after you've watched the video, you will see the new home screen layout. And regarding with this new feature, let's create a new design. Let's say we want to create an Instagram post, a 4x5 post. So we'll just do it as per usual. And now basically the feature that we're talking about today is creating different size pages in the same design. And this was a big struggle before. In order to create different aspect ratios or different sizes, you would have to create a new document and create it in that particular document. Now, in the same document, you can have multiple pages with multiple sizes. Let's say we have here a 4x5 Instagram post, and we want to create a new post, but in the same document for any reason. And we want it to be square. We don't want it to be 4x5. Now, previously we would press this button. We would add a new page. Now, in order to do that, we have to press this drop-down menu and select the template that we want. Let's say we want it to be a square, so we select this option, and there you have it. Now we have two different sized documents in the same, two different sizes pages, sorry, in the same document. You can duplicate this document, you can duplicate this one, you can change the order and so on and so forth. This is an amazing feature, and it has been long awaited. So yeah, this is pretty cool. That would be it. Please be sure to like and comment if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.